Hello friends, and welcome back to Keefe's Kitchen. One of my light bulbs up in the ceiling died, and so the lighting is really bad. So I apologize for that. I'm gonna look at getting some sort of lighting. I don't know. If you have any suggestions, let me know. But this week, it's cold. All right, and what do we do when it's cold? We wish for warmer weather. And at least I do. I don't know about you, but one of the things that I love, food-wise, when it's warm, is barbecues. And one of the things you eat at a barbecue, at least I did, cornbread. All right, but you can't just make cornbread. Cornbread on its own, like you can, I mean, this is a no judgment zone, but I'll judge you a little bit if I walk by and you just got a big old hunk of cornbread you're eating. Like it goes with something, all right? So instead of doing regular old cornbread, I thought I would do cornbread casserole. What is cornbread casserole, you ask? You take Jiffy mix, all right, the greatest cornbread mix of all time. You mix it with creamed corn, regular corn, butter, sour cream, all sorts of stuff. Put it in a pan, bake it in the oven. Turns out great. I added cheese and jalapeños to mine. Yeah, intrigued, I know. You know what, I'm gonna stop talking and I'm gonna show you to make it. Let's do it. Cornbread casserole.
Alright friends, while your oven is preheating to 350 degrees, grab yourself a bowl and we're going to start adding ingredients. First is a 15-ounce can of drained sweet corn, and next is a 15-ounce can of undrained sweet creamed corn. And we're going to add next 1 cup of sour cream. I used Greek yogurt because I am a fool and forgot to buy sour cream. Next, the liquid of the gods, a half cup of melted salted butter, about 1 stick. Next, give that all a nice little mix. I used a whisk, probably a mistake to be honest. Now we're going to add a 8-ounce box of Jiffy corn muffin mix. Alright, ignore everything on the back of the box, we're just adding it in dry. And we're going to mix everything else together to make the casserole. And we don't need to worry about adding eggs or anything like that. Once it's mixed through, we're going to add in 3 diced jalapeños. You can add the seeds for a little extra adventure. And here is 1 cup, well, it's kind of a generous cup. We'll say 8 ounces of shredded cheddar cheese. Mix that all through, and that's basically it. That's your batter. So now we're ready to get it into a greased pan and put that pan in the oven. So we're going to use a pre-greased, because I didn't feel like showing you this time, 9 by 11 baking dish. You could do a little bit smaller if you wanted. It'd just be a thicker casserole. Up to you. Take your batter and put it into your pre-greased casserole dish in a nice even layer. Spread it out nice and smooth. Or don't, you know. I recommend it, but whatever. And pop it into the oven, again at 350 degrees, for 45 to 50 minutes, or until the top becomes nice and golden brown to your liking. Now, I left mine in for an extra 10 minutes, so I ended up being closer to an hour. But that was because I wanted to get this nice golden brown color. Oh yeah, looks awesome. Let it cool for about 5-ish minutes, and it won't be super solid, but it'll be good to eat.
All right, my friends, the cornbread casserole is done. Here it is. See if it'll focus. Here we go. I am not gonna lie to you. I can't lie, all right? Not to you guys, not to my best friends, okay? I had a little bit of this beforehand. And I'm gonna try to capture that same magical feeling I had when I ate it just a couple of minutes ago. Here we go. Cornbread casserole. Sorry, cheddar jalapeno cornbread casserole. Let's do it. It's a triumph. Okay. It's creamy because of the cheese, the cream corn, and the butter. It's sweet because of that sweet corn, the Jiffy mix. It's salty because of the cheese and that I put salted butter in. I recommend salted butter. I actually like to sprinkle a little bit of salt on top of mine. I think it really makes it taste a little better. You don't have to, it's whatever. Crispy on top, soft in the center. This stuff is amazing. I mean, look, it's not healthy. I'm not gonna lie to you. This is not a healthy food item. But what Southern food really is healthy? Okay. This has been Keefe's Kitchen. This is awesome. I can't wait to go eat this with some leftovers. I really don't have anything else to eat it with. Some like leftover fish, whatever. It doesn't really matter. This is a party all on its own. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you make it yourself. I'll see you next week, guys. Goodbye.